Love is in the air, and it smells like coffee. Pag-ibig na nabuo sa New Zealand. Makikilala natin sina Chloe Wong Jung at Casey Jung na umuwi lamang sa Pilipinas upang ipagdiwang ang resepsyon ng kanilang kasal na ginanap sa New Zealand. Ngunit sa gitna ng lahat ay biglang nagkaroon ng lockdown at dahil dito, naging tahanan na nila ang Pilipinas. At dito nila nahanap ang kanilang true love, ang kape. Kaya mga ka-Tech Trends, isasama ko kayo sa aking biyahe papunta sa Wheat and Joy at sa kanilang Canopy Farm. Tara!
Magandang araw mga ka-Tech Trends, ako po si Tita Ga, ang makakasama nyo sa episode na ito ng Kwentong Tech Trends.
My name is Casey Jung and this is my wife Chloe. We are general manager of the WNJ Coffee House here in India, and we're both the beneficiary of the NCR Bank and ATBI.
Definitely at the start there's a lot of wastage. Wastage on time, on the resources, on the money. So it was a lot of trial and error on our part.
Throughout making those mistakes, we realized that we really need a formal training and help from somebody. So I began searching. Is there a coffee expert around Cavite? Since it was put in the lockdown, so I managed to find the information about NCR Bank, and then I just wrote it in. I am this guy. I'm from New Zealand, and just discovered coffee, and we would like some help because I'm failing. And then we were wasting a lot of time and reason. And luckily, the NCR reached out to us, but it was during the pandemic, so it's only year after the pandemic, that they were able to, when the restrictions had lessened down, that they were able to come and then assess us and everything. And then the ATBI, right? They reached out to us. I still remember the moment where Dr. Rika personally approached us and then said, yeah, we would love to get more help and then be involved in because we never thought of getting involved in a coffee value chain at the moment. We just needed help. And the NCR Deck and the ATBI were really good. They spend their resources and time to make sure that we are up to speed in terms of coffee.
Actually, the help that we got from these two institutions, the NCR as an institution and ATBI as a program, really makes sense because when we have the coffee, we know the technology and the skills on how to process it. We also have to think of the business side of it. How do we sell it? How do we market it? So it's not just about passion on farming, on coffee that they instill in us, but also how do we make business out of it? How do we make money out of our passion? So it's really a good combination that we are really benefiting from.
Pinagtagpo sila Casey at Chloe ng kape. At kape din ang nagbigay oportunidad para manatili sila sa Pilipinas at simulan ang panibagong pahina ng kanilang buhay. Ito ang Wheat and Joy Coffee at Canopy Farm.
Una po isa NCR sila sumulat. And then, naging initial activity po natin dito is yung identification ng kanilang kape kasi marami silang kape doon but then hindi alam ni Sir Casey kung ano yung types ng coffee na meron sila. And then later on, so since nakita namin yung interest ni Sir Casey sa pagkakape talaga, so pinormalize natin yung agreement with them and then isinama po natin sila sa Food Value Chain Project. And hanggang sa dumating po sa point na yun, nagkaroon din ng capacity building activity sa nila. Tinulungan natin sila sa pagpaprocess ng kanilang kape. And then yung sa packaging material, so in-improve din natin yung kanilang logo, yung branding nila. And katunayan, sina Sir Casey yung isa sa mga may pinakamasarap na kape dito sa Calabarzon, hindi lang po sa Cavite. Kasi during the coffee quality competition ng 2022, so lumabas na sila yung isa sa mga big winners po ng competition. So, in that particular activity, so nakita po natin na naging effective po tayo sa mga ginawa nating activities para ma-improve po talaga yung kalidad din ng kanilang mga kape sa Canopy Farms.
I think it's a really life-changing impact for us. Not only we got a lot of knowledge from coffee processing, it's a very technical expertise that we didn't have time to learn, but the programs, ATBI, Coffee Value Chain Program, and NCRDEC were able to generously give us. It's a crash course on coffee production, which we really applied in our coffee farm. And also, given that we also employ local staff, so the program through Casey, also sharing the knowledge, echoing his learning experience to the local communities.
Although hindi naman ganun pa ka-grand, so we are helping kasi our incubate is one at a time. Pero kahit pa paano, may makikita na tayo na improvement. For example, yung mga pagtitrain natin sa kanila, yung iba may mga nilabas na sila na sariling blend na nila ng coffee. At in fact, nung nagkaroon tayo ng regional coffee cupping competition, ilan na sa kanila yung nanalo at that level, which indicates na nag-improve na yung quality ng kanilang kape at nakikilala na din siya. So may sarili na silang mga blends. Also, meron na silang mga hinahire na additional employees sa kanilang mga farms, sa kanilang mga businesses. So I think it is an indication na hindi man gano'n nakalaki agad yung increase in income, pero nakikita natin na meron na sila.
If it wasn't for the NCRDEC and the Coffee Value Chain and the ATBI, we would not be here today.
Hanggang sa susunod na kwentong TechTrans in Luzon, ako po si Tita Ja, ang makakasama niyong maglakbay sa Banyuhay. Dahil sa Banyuhay, uunlad ang buhay.
Thank you, ATBI,
CFPC,
BOST Picard.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Marami pa kaming ikikwento, kaya samahan niyo ulit kami sa susunod na episode ng Kwentong TechTrans.
Kwentong TechTrans sa paglalakbay, ating tunay na makakamtan.